5 pieces chow lang bao po. Tsaka spicy. Spicy po. Tsaka 8 pieces na lava buchi na ube.
May 10 pesos po kayo. Nice po, ma'am.
Yay! Flowers, my lady.
Wow! Thank you, my lord. Thank you.
Welcome, my lady. We're here at Binondo Street. Ay, Binondo Street. Ongpin Street.
Bye-bye, dahil tatalo.
My lady Natividad.
Ganda! Pink!
Ah. Pink!
Pink!
It's pink! Pink! Wait lang po. Dito sa inviting di ka. Ang daming flowers dito. Pero sana i-live stream to eh. Kung bawal kasi live stream to sa ano. No thanks. Chef, chef. Whoa. It's beautiful out here, my lady. Why am I wearing a mask?
You want to spend the night?
You want to spend the night, my lady? Are you serious?
I'm not prepared.
This is my first day in Binondo. Ongpin Streets.
There's a lot of gold.
Kokek.
Is that real?
Ooh, let's try that later. No much about later, bro. Say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
Hi, camera. Nakain ka ba ng ano? Siopaw? Thank you po. 70. 35 is the bites. Here at Chuan Key. Finally inside. With a lot of outside foods. It's time to go home. Pagod na yun siya. So, may take out pa.